Okay, gang, today is the first day of a short trip up to State Forest State Park, probably the weirdest named state park in the country in Colorado, way up north part of the state. There's Sunny and Daisy. And we got here this afternoon. We had to wait out a little bit of weather. And our first hike is going to be up to Lake Agnes, which I'm told is supposed to be very pretty. It's only 0.8 of a mile. So we're going to go up there, take some pictures. We're going to head to Walden and where we have an Airbnb and stay there for a couple of months. Okay, I'm expecting to see great things right up these steps. Gee, I don't know. It's kind of okay if you like this sort of thing. And of course, I love this sort of thing. Little island in the middle. Okay, we're here, folks. And this is beautiful. Look at that. So we're here at Lake Agnes. There's a trail that goes around this side of it, and looking back here at these clouds, we may go over to the far side and shoot back this way, get some pictures. We're kind of hoping for less wind, so we have a nice clear, nice reflective image, which we're not going to get, but that's okay. We'll work around it. So just real quick, take a look at these columbine flowers that are growing here along this lake. I mean, this is just stunning. And in a year when in southern Colorado we've hardly seen anything because just the drought, they're just in great abundance up here near this lake, more than 10,000 feet up, and just beautiful. And they're in different colors. These are the pale blue ones. We saw some dark blue ones, and there's some white ones up here. So everything under the sun is up here, and this is just stunning. I could spend a day just here taking pictures of all these. Before we start up on the hike, but take a look at this view right here. Look at that sky. So I'm doing some panorama shots with both my camera and my cell phone. What are we doing here? Oh. There are so many columbine up here, it's amazing. This is crazy. Oh wow, I see what you're talking about. Right? You cannot see that from back there.
I know.
So the scene here is spectacular. We've been shooting a lot of pictures. Actually filled up one card and halfway through another card. But just spectacular. The wind died down, the clouds cleared up. This beautiful reflection. You can see it there, all the way up to there. Beautiful day for pictures and a hike. And just flowers galore.